Hello guys, in this video ay mag-withdraw tayo ng instant cash sa GCash. So kung mapapansin niyo yung ating wallet available balance is 667. So ganito lang guys, dito tayo sa view all, may E+ rewards. And then check in lang tayo sa everyday may makukuha tayong price. So sa ngayon, ika-30 ko na, so mayroon tayong 2 pesos na i-withdraw. Check in. So, ayan, nakatanggap tayo ng 2 pesos. You have won cashback 2 pesos. View details. And then, swipe to display code. View now. And then, claim. So, click the claim. One free voucher below. Click lang natin yan. Claim now. So, ayan na guys. Congratulations. You claim 2 pesos. So, back to GCash dashboard. So, ayan guys. Kanina may 667 lang yun. So, ngayon 669 na.